to share an avenue for getting print books into the hands of our early college high school students. You can always read online and download Mac and Via books to any of your devices, but if you would like an actual print book in hand and you need to borrow one from another library, this is how you'll do it. Go to the Early College High School website, click on Library. You can search for books in the library catalog. When you find the one you want, you will make the request on the form right here on the website. So if I go to the library catalog, first of all, it will default to Success High School, but you can search all high schools and borrow a book from any high school. It's kind of neat because if you just kind of scroll through here, you can see kind of what's new and what the library, maybe some new titles that they've just gotten that are fun and exciting. Ooh, looks like some good ones here. All right, I'm going to go to an Old Faithful and go ahead and I'm going to search for The Fault in Our Stars. Now, you could search by author. You could put in a genre if you love fantasy, sci-fi, romance. Just put your genre in. You could look for specific series, all types of things. But if you know a specific title you want, you can go ahead and search that title. Now, one thing you'll want to look at is the format that these are coming up. So if I know this is in Mac and Via, I know I can check it out as an ebook. But this is saying that it's an actual print book, and here's the call number. Okay? Here's another one. It looks like this is possibly an audio book. If I look closely, it's a non-print. Non-print means that it's not a hard copy of a book. Okay? We've got more ebooks here. So let me go back up to the actual hard copy. If I click on the link to the book, it gives me a little more information. And it shows me all of the locations I can find that book. And it gives me a call number. The call number is what the librarian will need so they know where in their library to find the book. I'm going to go ahead now and go back to the site. I'm going to open up the form to make my request. So if I put in Jane Doe and my student ID, oops, I have to use the other key. Okay, and go ahead and put in your email just to make sure if we have any questions or if the librarian needs to email you and let you know that your book is coming. They can do that. Okay, now the information that you'll need to make sure you include is the call number and the book title. So I can go to the call number. I'm going to go back to the catalog where I found that book. The call number is FGRE. Oops, I'm looking at the wrong one. Okay, it's still FGRE. So it looks like if I was getting it from Cedar Ridge High School, they actually have realistic in the call number because they have the genre attached to the call number. But I'm just going to make sure I write down FGRE. I can just copy and paste, go back to my form, paste it on in, and then I'm going to grab the exact book title. So make sure that you have the exact title because some can be very similar. I'm going to plug that in. Choose your English teacher. Your book will be checked out to you, the student, but it will be delivered inter-school library mail to your English teacher to be given to you. If there's any other notes or questions, comments you need to make that you want us to know about, you can list those here and then simply submit your request. In, I would say, hopefully 1 to 2 days, your book will arrive in your English class. Enjoy!